tell me the two males. One's running into an alleyway on the right side.
Got the male in the alleyway.
Oh shit!
I got him chased. I got to take the vehicle. He just ran me over.
Disregard that shot.
One male take.
They're pulling off in a four-door,
Get up out of here.
Put your hands up. Hands up.
He shot me, I'm gonna die, please. He shot me, help me. I just wanna go to the hospital, please.
Two cars, there's a gray one and a blue one.
Let me die.
Y'all pull both of them over?
Stop talking. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Sir, get up.
One of y'all going for cuffs.
They're coming back around.
Oh shit.
Watch out.
Which one are we after, the blue one or the gray one?
They're both was into that same. I'm trying to get both of them.
What's the status on the other 10?
Alright, this time you got the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be used to get you. Got the right to the trigger. One can I be afforded? One can I be afforded to you? One we grant you. You understand the right side? Right up to you.
Yes, I do, bro. Do you understand I've been shot? I'm bleeding out. You have
Just make sure he ain't got nothing on him. Take him to the hospital. Come on, rush.
hurry, bro, please. Oh, I don't want to die, bro, please. It's good, bro. I'm gonna sue you. So, oh my God, I can't wait to sue you. Oh my God, this nigga just shot me. Oh my God, you better pray I die, nigga. You better fucking pray I die, nigga. You better fucking pray I fucking die, nigga. I swear to God, nigga. Shut the fuck up, I'm fighting, nigga. Hurry up, nigga. Damn, nigga. Bitch ass nigga shot me, nigga. I'm gonna back away. I'm back away. What the fuck, nigga? What are you doing? Oh my God.
Can you go and answer the sky? Can you look in the sky, sir?
Help me. Can you get a lieutenant to help
Hey,
me?
get him in the car. Get him in the car.
I haven't searched him yet. I can't just put him in my vehicle.
He's good. He's in cuffs. You're good.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna back away.
You ain't gonna die. Stop crying. Stop fucking crying. You won't do
612 gonna be 15th to the hospital.
Was it you? Was it you, nigga? Was it you, nigga? Shot me in my back, nigga. You shot me in my back, nigga. I wasn't even looking, nigga. I should have listened to my